Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm at Kenny U-Pull, and well, today is a blast in the past, or a blast from the past. This is a Pontiac Fiero. The engine's not in the front. This is the cooling system up here, but the engine is back here. Fiero was a short-lived car, but it was neat at the time. I don't know. 2.5 liter. That's the Iron Duke, I think. And that's busted up, unfortunately. But the big nail in the coffin for these was their subframe. Let's see how this subframe is. And, well, it's there. It's barely there. The floor is gone. And it's rear-wheel drive, of course, because the engine's in the rear. Well, not because, but because it makes sense to be. Fiero badge in there, Fisher body. It's a two-seater, so there's no rear seats. I don't want to sit in it, but I'll show you this. It's only got 150,000 kilometers on it. All the warning lights, radio there, rear defrost, which it does have, manual windows. You don't have a glove box, but you do have that strap across the dash over there. This one was, and still is, technically a 5-speed manual. And the year of this one is, I don't know. It's got the tip-up sunroof. Nice. But it's very rusty. Very rusty. Protected with professional glaze guard paint sealant. Whatever that was. Relatively solid, but unfortunately this one's sort of beat. A lot of rust starting on it. Flip-up headlights, of course. A neat 90s and 80s. Mouse nest. Fiero badge, of course, has been taken. But the reason this has no rust, it's a fiberglass body. So it's all underneath these things rust. It's not a bad looking little car. It's a fun sporty car, but unfortunately they rust away. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day.